On today's episode, what's fucked up? Toby right here. Just kidding.
Toby's never fucked up.
Oh well, you got a backup for the backup guy. We got Ivan today.
I came fucked up.
I came fucked up. So today, the situation is that the customer's having misfires on multiple cylinders, and he already changed coils and spark plugs. We're gonna do a valve adjustment since the car already has 180k, and see if it fixes a misfire. Ow! So here we have El Pino and Toby working together, taking everything apart.
It's a collab.
Speed run.
It's a speed run. We're here having a collab, you know, showing them how to get the job done. So we already took everything apart, everything whatsoever. Now we're just gonna put the car on time, put it on number one, tap that center right here. Right here we got my guys over here looking for a 19 with the extension to rotate the engine right now. What happened, Toby?
Go, I lead it.
What?
It doesn't catch all the way.
That's just fucked up. What do you think, guy?
You gotta tighten it more.
Yeah?
Yeah.
These are hella loose. What about that one?
Hella tight. Fuck. How'd you get it in there?
Cause I can.
There you go.
Valve adjustment is already done. Covers back on. Coils back on. New spark plugs. Old spark plugs. Look at this shit. They're fucked up. And then I got Pino over here cleaning the top cover. I got this guy cleaning the old gasket that ripped. Let's get it. Whoever worked on the car previously had snapped the bolt for the manifold. It was right here. I was able to take it out. This is why you gotta trust who you let work on your car, because this customer didn't even know this bolt was missing or it was broken, you know.
I knew there was a lock on the door.
Valve adjustment done. Everything back together. Take it for a spin, but so far so good. No more issues, no more check engine light. Let's get it done.